Hey, this is cicada season, so I have to show you some cicadas. See? Let me show you some. Look, there's one over here. See that? There's one. And there's some more over here. Now look, where we go. As you can see in the other garden, there's more. There's another one right over here. See those bee eyes? Oh look, here comes some more. Let me show you more. Yeah, okay, where is the chaos? Oh, look, that's a skin. And here, let me show you more. And look at that. I can show you some in my mailbox. There are more cicadas. See those more? See them over here? There are more of them. There are lots of them. Hope you enjoyed my video. I am going to film my next one. That's for tomorrow. Hope you like my video. So, see you tomorrow.